Good morning and welcome to another Beetle video. This 2007 VW Beetle convertible, and this video is a bit of a follow-up from the service. So if you remember when I did the service, I could only change to the spark plugs number 1 and number 4. I couldn't get to numbers 2 and 3 because they're a bit awkward to get to. I didn't have a suitable tool. I need to pull the HT lead off now. Yeah, obviously it's been playing on my mind. I've been thinking it over, and I had a look on Amazon and I saw some suitable pliers. So I've got them bought them, so I'll go over to the shed and I'll unbox them. So this is what came through the post. I better not reveal my name and address. I'll just remove that incriminating information. Let's get this opened up. Like a good unboxing. Nothing like a good unboxing to start your day. And there we go, these are the pliers. Basically what you do with these is you reach down and then you can yank them off. They're long enough to reach into the awkward place. So pull that off, and that's what we've got. 280mm, which is nearly 12-inch. It says spark plug pliers, but should be able to use these to pull off the HT lead. So we'll try these out in the car, see if they actually work. Okay, I don't know how well you're going to see that, so my apologies if you can't. So let's have a look. Just get the pliers and see if I can. Got a grip. See if I can pull it out. Oh, that's made that 10 times easier. So let's pull the HT lead out of the way. Now I can get with me. With my spark plug ratchet, get a ratchet. Actually, I've got one of those wobble extensions. Should make things a little bit easier. Or will it? So getting it off was the easy bit, but getting the base spark plug socket on. Looks to be almost impossible. It's not a massive socket. See if I can get them from here. I should just try the magnetic. Once the socket's on, that's it. Right, I think my spark plug socket's too big to go down, so I know it's a 12mm, so I'll see if I've got anything a bit more suitable. Now, as luck would have it, I managed to find a 5/8 spark plug socket that was a bit narrower and it just fits up. Time to crack it off. Oh, that took a bit of doing, but I got it out. So, this is going to be a success. I did spray a bit of penetrating fluid. Yep, this is going to be successful. Now I've got my magnetic pickup tool here. And out it should come. Let's get its T lead out of the way. There we go. Now that don't look too bad. It's the right colour, so we know the mixture's right. And now refitting it is basically the reverse of taking it out. So let's see if I can fish it in with the. In fact, I might just try it with it. Just use the extension bar. No, this is going to be an absolute pig of a job. Dropped it in, but hopefully with the help of the extension, the magnetic pickup tool, I can get it guided in. There we go. Get it started on the threads. I'm dropping everything left, right and centre. Wobble bars a help. Let's get this spark plug started. Let's get it onto the. I've got that started on. So you've got to be careful with this. Just do it by hand. I might have to employ some extra extension bars. Well, it took some doing to get on the thread, but I got it started. There's no resistance, so it's going in right, it's not cross-threaded. So just do it up, and then just give it a nip, and put the HT lead back on. Should be the easy bit. Just a bit awkward from here, so just that's how I should be able to do it without the get it on there. Just get hold of it, push it in, and that's job done. So I need to do the same on number 3. So it's going to be the same story. I'll do that off camera and I'll come back to you when I've done. So I got those 2 plugs done, numbers 2 and 3, and it was the other one, number 3 was just as awkward as number 2, but you need a thin walled socket. This 5/8 spark plug socket is the one you need, because the one that fits, that comes with the Alfred's tool set, that it just doesn't work. It's too big to go down, and you need the various extension bars. With these Alfred's ones, you know, my modular tray sets at wobble bars, which make it a bit easier. And with this, I was able to pull the HT leads off. So Now, the owner complained that the said that the engine management light came back on, then it went out again. So I've hooked up my code reader. It should have finished by now. Let's see what we got. Because the engine management lights wasn't on, but it's found one DTC. So let's have a look at that. Click on OK. Read codes. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. It's the O2 sensor. Strange, it's had a service. Maybe it's because of them 2 old spark plugs. We've fixed that. So what we'll do, we'll go back, we'll erase the codes. Yep, it's key on, engine off. It's emissions related. Actually, with all 4 spark plugs replaced, it should be 100% now. That might have been something to do with it. So what we'll do is fire it up, turn key off. So everything's all right. Yeah, all is well. Let's have a look. We'll see if we can get some try an O2 sensor test. Might need to do it when it's running. It does not support it. Right, okay. Oops. So I'm going to have to go through all this again, so I'll just leave it. I'll see if we can pick up some live data and I'll come back to you. So no DTCs. Let's see if we can get some data stream. See what it comes up with. I think I can do a few things rather than just reading the erase codes. So fuel's in open loop at the moment. RPM's about short-term fuel's at 0%, long-term's at in 20s. It should be about the same. Let's have a look, we'll see what happens. See what other live data we have. Spark advance, intake temperature, MAF, throttle position. Let's have a look. We'll just open the. Yep. So throttle position's working. Let's see, air start off. I don't know about that. 1, 2. Don't know what that shirts. F12 is. I don't know what that is. Can't be fuel trim. Okay, we'll go back to fuel trim, see if they've changed. Oh, they seem to be on a par now. So fuel trim seem to be alright. Should be about the same. Short term's minus 21 and long term's about is a plus 20. So either just above 20. Vehicle speed sensor, can't really test that without actually going for a drive. But yep, fuel trim seems to be open, still in open loop. Engine coolant temperature 51 degrees Celsius. Don't ask me what Fahrenheits are, because it'll be about, that's halfway to boiling point. So I think we can do a rough guess. 212, probably about 100. 212 and 32's 0 Celsius and 212 is 100 degrees, so halfway between that. So yeah, just above 100 Fahrenheit. So having a look at fuel trims, yep, fuel trim seem to be alright, so I don't think there's a actual problem with O2 sensor. So I'm going to end the video here. We've got another one coming up because it's a window mirror glass is broke, so you'll be seeing that on a future video. So I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this one, and that's the service completely done. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, then you get notified when one of my videos comes up. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.